So this is going to be a quick video of how I am repairing broken tabs on a Fiat 500 headlight. These things are impossible to find, super expensive. So after reading a lot and trying different methods through the years, found that these two things, the new Loctite plastic binder, has an activator and a glue, and it has been working very well. So it's a pretty simple process. You start with the activator on both surfaces. So you go like that. You have to paint all the area that you're planning to bind. And then the same goes in the actual headlight. It's like a pencil. Now we're supposed to wait 60 seconds. All right. We're gonna wait 60 seconds for the activator to work. Sorry, this is extending the video length, but I want to show it in real time so that nobody can say that this is fake or anything of that sort. That's about it for the time. So now we're going to start applying the glue to one of the pieces. This feels like super glue, but I'm not really sure what it is, but it seems to be working really good. All right, everywhere. Then I'm going to put in some in this. All right, and now we're going to hold it together for 30 seconds. That's the point. That's the whole process. $3.19 to 4 minutes. Okay, hold it tight. I'm applying pressure to the area. All right, and this seems to be good. I mean, it's done. All right, so we're gonna take a quick look at it. It looks like it melted some of the plastic. I'm gonna go later on and apply some reinforcements, but this seems to be a good fix. All right, let's see how long it holds. Thank you.